Hello?
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Um, yeah, I sent you some stuff through prep me.
Okay.
Basically, you know the test we studied for?
Yeah.
That you helped me? Yeah, so we did the test and we got the test back and
Okay.
basically, we have, I can't find words, I'm tired right now, but we have the ability, so I got a few answers wrong. So I have the ability,
Okay.
like, to redo them basically. To get extra credit. But I can't just say like, "Oh,
Okay.
this is the answer." I have to say like, "Oh, this is the answer," and then explain like a step-by-step process of how to achieve that answer. So
Okay. Okay. Let me just check it. How to share it from here?
yeah, it's good. You have everything.
Yeah, I do. It's just not. Okay, never mind. I'll just write the question on the whiteboard here, and then we can solve it here.
Okay.
Okay. So the one where you have to divide polynomial using long
Wait, wait,
division.
wait. Let me.
I have this one which says number two. You need to divide the polynomials using long division.
No, no, it's number four. Can you read the question out for me?
Yeah, it's the last picture.
Can you read the question out for me?
Yeah, divide the following polynomials using long division.
Oh my God. Or the okay.
That's the one you got wrong, right? It has a cross
Yeah,
on
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Okay. Now,
Mm.
and you told me that you get long division last time.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
But I forgot honestly. Like I didn't forget, but um yeah, my mind's just blank. I don't know what I'm doing. So I need help, but I know how to do it, obviously. Um this is free response to sí, yes. Jugo de naranja. No sé, tal vez. Pero ¿por qué me preguntas que voy al gym? ¿Por qué me preguntaste, mami? Mami, ¿por qué me preguntaste? Ya le amo.
Okay.
Yeah, so what I have to do is
Okay.
basically I have to
Mm-hmm.
explain, I have to give the correct answer, and then I have to
Mm-hmm.
give an explanation of the correct answer. So,
Yeah, so you basically have to solve it,
mhm,
all of it, right? Okay.
yeah,
So what do we do? This is the expression we have to divide it by, and this is
uh,
the expression we are dividing it by.
mhm,
So we said that we take
wait,
the first one from here, x squared, right? It's like the long division with numbers.
mhm,
The only difference is now you have algebraic expressions. So
mhm,
when you have to divide, I will take this example again. You have 4 and outside you have 2. You need to find 2 times a number that makes 4. So
mhm,
you say it's 2 times 2. So the same thing here. This is x squared. You
mhm.
need to find x squared times a number that would make it 2x to the power of 4.
Um, yeah, I tried to do that, but like I didn't know what the hell.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
uh, yeah, just
Okay.
tell me.
First you work with the coefficients. First you work with the numbers. What do you have here? You have 1.
Mhm,
If it's nothing, it means it's 1x squared.
mhm.
And you need 2 here.
Okay,
So what do you times by 1 to get 2,
cool. Mhm,
right? So for the number part, for the coefficient part, we know it's 2.
mhm,
Then we come to the x part, the algebraic part, x
mhm,
squared.
mhm,
X squared times something
mhm.
makes it x to the power 4.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
what do we times by x squared to make it x to the power 4?
X squared times x squared.
Right. X squared times x squared.
Mhm,
So that means x squared
mhm.
times 2x squared would make it 2x to the power 4.
Yep. Mhm.
Okay. So we times this by
Um.
2x squared because we want 2x to the power 4 here.
Mhm.
So we can cancel it and then solve the rest part. Okay. But this is not just this. This is not just x squared. This is
Mhm.
x squared plus x plus 1.
Mhm.
So we solve this whole expression by 2x squared.
Mhm.
So when we do x squared times 2x squared, that would
Mhm.
be
Mhm.
2x to the power 4.
Mhm.
Okay, and now plus x times 2x squared. What do you get?
Mm. 2x to the power of 3.
Right?
Or yeah.
Okay, plus 2x to the power 3
Mhm.
and then plus 1 times 2x squared.
Which is just 3x squared.
Mhm. We are
Mhm.
multiplying 1 times 2.
Oh, so 2. Yeah.
So plus 2x squared.
Mhm.
Okay. Then we minus it. So when we minus, the sign would change for the expression here.
Mhm.
This was positive, that becomes negative. This was positive, becomes negative. This was positive, becomes negative.
Mhm.
2x to the power 4 minus 2x to the power 4. It would just cancel or become 0.
Mhm.
Okay, now we solve the rest of it.
Mhm.
So 6x cubed minus 2x cubed,
Uh, 4. 4x.
right? 4x cubed.
Mhm.
And then
And then uh 2x squared, I guess.
it's
Cause like
minus x squared
so
and then
negative
minus 2x squared.
so negative 1x squared.
When they are both minus,
Oh my
we
god.
add them.
Oh yeah, that's so 3x squared?
right? And negative 3x squared.
Mm-hmm.
Because the sign, we get it from the bigger term. And the bigger term is 2, so
Mm-hmm.
that's negative.
Mm-hmm.
So minus 3x squared, and then the rest, negative 3x, and then minus 10. We write it down. And then we keep dividing it
Mm-hmm.
until the remainder, we get a remainder. So remainder has to be smaller than the expression we are dividing it by.
Mm-hmm.
Right now it's cube here, it's square here, it's still bigger. So we divide
Mm-hmm.
it again.
Mm-hmm.
Now we need to divide, now we need to cancel this.
Mm-hmm.
So x squared times something, that makes it 4x cubed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what do we times it by?
4x.
Okay, 4x.
Mm-hmm.
So I write the plus because I am multiplying it by positive 4x. So x squared times 4x, that will become 4x cubed,
Mm-hmm.
and then plus x times 4x would become,
Uh, it would become 0.
now, oh, we are doing plus x times 4x. All of this expression, we have to times it by
Oh,
4x.
sorry. Yeah. That would be 4, yeah, 4x squared.
Okay, plus 4x squared, and then,
Plus x, so just 4x. Plus or minus
okay,
4x. And
plus
then,
4x.
4x again.
Okay,
Oh,
no, why?
sorry, yeah, no,
Just
no.
three terms, x squared plus x plus 1
Yeah, yeah.
times by 4x.
Mm-hmm.
So we get 4x cubed plus 4x squared plus 4x.
Mm-hmm.
Now we minus it. So when we minus,
Mm-hmm.
this becomes minus, this becomes minus.
Mm-hmm.
The first one would just cancel, becomes 0.
Uh-huh.
Okay, then we have negative 3x squared,
Mm-hmm.
and then minus 4x squared.
Mm-hmm.
So what would that become?
Uh, we're doing minus.
Yeah, because this was positive, it become negative because we
Yeah,
minus.
yeah, yeah.
So the sign changed. So it is now over here we have minus 3x squared and then
And
minus 4x
all right,
squared.
well, 2 minus converts to a positive, so
Mm-hmm.
uh, once just x squared,
Now
bruh. I don't know.
minus and minus, that becomes
A positive.
plus.
I know, but
No, no, no. Note the sign, we have to add them. 2 minus, make it addition,
so 7, 3 plus 4.
right? 7
Mm-hmm.
x squared, and the sign that comes with 7x squared, that comes from the bigger term.
Mm-hmm.
So it would be minus because
Mm-hmm.
4x squared was negative.
Yeah.
Okay, then we have minus 3x minus 4x.
Mm-hmm. Um, it's minus 7 again.
Okay, minus 7x, and then
Minus
minus
10.
10.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now again it is x squared and x squared. It's still not smaller, so we can divide it again,
Wait.
right? Because still
Have
we
a.
have x squared here. We keep dividing it until we get x or smaller than that,
Okay, okay.
right?
Pablo, why are
It's
you
still
here?
like they are still the same, so we can still divide it. So now
No,
we
can we do
do
it after 6:30,
x
please?
squared
Not now. I have a class. I
times
really need this
something
class, please.
that makes
Yes.
it negative 7x squared.
7 or negative 7.
It's negative 7. So we times it by minus 7.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'm just gonna write it here. Okay, so when we do x squared times negative 7, it will become like this, 7x minus 10. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we do x squared times negative 7, it becomes negative 7x
Mm-hmm.
squared. Then we have plus x times negative 7 would become,
Oh wait, I'm doing it right now. It would just become zero, like it would cancel out. Oh wait, no, no, no.
yeah,
Sorry,
we'll
sorry,
do
sorry,
that
sorry, sorry,
later.
sorry. Yeah, yeah. It would just be negative 7x squared, or negative 7x
Okay, right, negative 7x, and then for the last part, it would be
minus 7x,
right,
or just
minus
7.
7.
Okay, yeah.
Just 7 because it is just 1.
Uh huh.
That's 1 times 7.
Uh huh.
Okay. So now we minus, so the signs change. This
Mhm.
becomes positive, this becomes positive, this
Mhm.
becomes positive.
Mhm.
This cancels, this also cancels,
So
right?
you
Because
lose with.
negative 7x, positive
Mhm.
7x. So
Yeah.
they both become 0.
Uh huh.
Okay, negative 10 plus 7,
Negative 3.
right? Negative 3. Now negative 3, it's smaller than x squared plus x plus 1, so that would be the remainder.
Mhm.
So that means you get 2x squared plus 4x
Minus 7.
minus 7,
Mhm.
and then plus, and then later it will change to negative 3.
Mhm.
So with the remainder of
The remainder of negative
minus
3.
3
Okay.
over 5, x squared plus x plus 1.
Mhm.
Okay.
Can you search up the next stuff? I'm gonna leave for a minute, okay? I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yeah, hi.
Okay. The next one I have over here is number 3. Given the polynomial function and one of its factors, give the function in factored form and then list the zeros of the function.
Mhm.
So this is synthetic division. Uh,
Man, I don't know.
yeah, but you know synthetic division.
Can you try and fix your mic? It's like really buggy. Who's call-
Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's better. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so how do we do synthetic division? Uh,
I mean, I know how.
First,
Wait. Okay. Uh,
yeah, but you didn't do it.
I knew how, but like I didn't understand. I didn't know if I had to do it because it didn't directly tell me do synthetic division, do this way. So I was like, okay, well, I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Yeah.
So,
No, you were doing it right. Okay, so you are given one factor. What you have to do is
mhm,
you need to reduce this. Okay, this is a cubic equation, and then you are given x plus 5, and
mhm,
then you are told this is the factor of your equation. That means that's one root. X plus 5 equals 0, so x equals negative 5. That's your first root or first zero. You need
uh-huh,
to find the other two zeros of the equation.
mhm,
So how would you do it? First, you would reduce the equation
mhm,
to a quadratic equation using synthetic division, and then
mhm,
we'll find the roots of that quadratic equation.
mhm,
So how would you reduce the equation? Either you could do long division, the one we did right now before, or you could use synthetic division.
no, no, synthetic, please, synthetic, please.
Okay,
Oh my God, give up.
so this is negative 5, and then the equation is the function is x cubed minus 9x squared minus 21x plus 245.
Mhm,
Right? We are dividing it by negative 5 because the factor is x plus 5. So
mhm,
it's the 0, so it is supposed to be x plus 5 equals 0 and x equals negative 5.
mhm,
So we divided by negative 5. Okay. In synthetic division, we only write the coefficient and not the letters, not the algebraic part. So
mhm,
the first one is x cubed. So x cubed has a coefficient of 1.
mhm,
So you won't just leave it, you do have to write 1 because it does have a coefficient 1.
mhm.
If it was nothing, if it was 0, then you wouldn't have x cubed.
Oh my
You do have x cubed, that means it's 1.
God. Uh-huh.
Okay? So you write 1.
Mhm,
Then the next one is negative 9x squared. So that would be negative 9.
mhm.
So, and then what would be the next one?
Negative 21 and then
Right.
245.
Right. Okay, so this is what you did wrong here, that you didn't write 1. Started from negative 9.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay, so what do we do first? We bring the 1
Mhm,
down as it is.
mhm.
Then we do 1 times negative 5,
Which
which
is
would be,
negative 5.
okay, and then we add these two together. Negative 9 and negative 5.
Negative 14 or 4, whichever one.
Negative 14,
Okay.
right? Because they both are negative, so it
Uh-huh.
makes it
Mhm.
addition.
Mhm.
Okay, and then we do negative 14 times negative 5.
Uh uh negative what?
Now we have negative 14 here, so we cancel by negative 5.
Bro, that's some BS. Wait, let me see. 70.
Okay, positive 70.
Mhm.
And then add these together,
70 is 49.
and then you do 49 times
Negative 5, which is negative 245. Bro. Man, these
and
were
then
so
you,
easy. Like, how the hell did I get these wrong? I'm actually dumb.
okay, yeah, okay, so you're getting a 0 here. Why are we getting a 0? Because this was the factor of this equation, of this function,
Mhm.
right? That's why we get a remainder of 0.
Yeah.
Now this one becomes x squared
Mhm.
minus 14x plus 49. So now we need to factorize this to get the other two factors. We know
Mhm.
that one zero is x equals negative 5. We
Mhm.
need to find the other two zeros. Okay, so we factorize this.
Mhm.
We have 49. We need to split 14 into two numbers. So when we multiply them together, it gives us 49,
Oh, so 7 and 7. Woohoo! Easy.
right? 7 and 7.
Yeah.
Okay, so both would be negative 7s.
Mhm.
So negative 7x minus 7x minus 7x plus 49.
Mhm.
So we factorize the first two.
Mhm.
Okay, what do we get?
Wait. What do you mean you factorize the first two? Like,
The first two terms and then the other two terms.
okay. So x on the outside, right?
Mm-hmm. Right?
Um, dude. Okay, and then all right. So x on the outside and in the brackets set x minus 7,
Right?
and
Okay.
then another, not another x. I don't know. Oh, negative. So the negative sign outside, right?
Right?
Yeah.
And
And the 7,
okay.
and then x plus 49.
Mm-hmm. So you're taking 7 out.
Oh.
You get x, then
Mhm.
the plus sign changed to minus because
Mhm.
there is minus outside and 49.
Okay.
49 would become, you're taking 7 out.
Oh, so 42.
No, no, no you're not, you won't minus.
Mhm.
It's like multiplication, it's like division. You divide it by 7,
Oh, so 7.
right? Because when you have something outside, it's
Mhm.
like that you would multiply it inside
Yeah.
the brackets.
Mhm.
Right? So when you take it out, it's like division.
Mhm.
Okay, now this is the first term, this is the second term.
Mhm.
So what do we have common?
X
We
minus
have
7.
x minus 7.
So that's our
Right.
second
X,
zero. Minus 7.
alright, so x minus 7 and then
Mhm.
x minus 7.
Mhm.
So the other two zeros would be, so
Uh.
that
Uh
means it would just have two zeros,
huh.
right? Because we are getting the third, at the second and the third, they are basically the same.
Mhm.
So x minus 7 equals 0, which is equal to 0. So x equals 7.
Mhm. Oh
The both of the other two zeros, they will be 7. So negative 5 and 7. I'm going to,
So those are the only zeros?
yeah,
Oh, okay. And we're done with that question, right?
yeah, that's what we
Okay.
have to find.
Okay.
All the zeros.
All right. Yeah. We don't have that much time, so can
Okay.
we try and do these a bit quick? You know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or do you have to submit it tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll have to give it in IRL tomorrow. But it's fine if we don't finish. At least I want to finish the hard ones because the easy ones I can do. So,
Okay. What are the hard ones? Which ones we should do?
um, the graphing and
Okay.
then number 8.
Number 8. Let me see.
Yeah. So first of all, the graphing. So number 6 and 7. Graph the function, and then number 8.
Okay, I found number 8 first.
Huh?
Okay,
Okay.
okay, I got number 8.
Okay.
So what you have to do is solve the following rational inequalities. Make sure that you include an underline as well in your answer and then fill up the interval.
Mhm.
Oh, and did you write no
Huh?
for the answer? Did you just write no for the answer? That I won't do it.
I wrote. I could. I mean, yeah, but like, it's not like no, I wouldn't do it. Like, I didn't know how to do it. Like, regardless if I left it blank or not, I wouldn't have gotten any points because I had no idea what the hell I was doing.
Okay. Okay, so what we have to do is these are rational inequalities. So what do? We find the important points, which are the zeros and asymptotes,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is our equation. Sorry, this is the inequality x squared
Mm-hmm.
plus 6x minus 7 over x squared plus x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 0. So what do you have to do? You have to factorize the numerator and the denominator. So what do we get? When we factorize x squared plus 7x minus 6x
Oh
minus 7,
my. Uh. Sorry. Can you say that again?
yeah, what do we get when we find when we factorize x squared plus 6x minus 7? Because we won't
Mm.
know what are we working on until we won't have the zeros of this inequality, right? So we
Six
need to
x
find the
minus seven.
zeros. So we have x squared plus 6x minus 7.
Uh
We
huh.
factorize it. What do we get?
Yay. Oh.
We need
Okay.
to split,
So yeah, but we need to split them. You know.
yeah, 6x into two numbers. So we times them. It is negative 7.
So can we split 6x into 3x?
Now, but if we do 3x and 3x, it won't multiply 7.
Oh, we need something that multiplies to 7 and equals to 6.
Negative 7. Yeah, that would be positive 7x and minus x.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it will be x times x plus 7
Mm-hmm.
and then minus 1 times x plus 7.
Okay.
So we get x plus 7 times x minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that means the zeros would be x equals negative 7 and x equals 1 for what we get at the top. Because we are getting x plus 7 over x minus 7. And then for whatever we have in the denominator, it will be x squared plus x minus 12.
Mm-hmm.
So we do the same thing again. We have to split x into two numbers. So we
Mm-hmm.
get, when we multiply them together, we get negative 12x squared. It would be positive 4x
Mm-hmm.
and negative 3x. So then we factorize it again, x plus 4 minus 3 times x plus 4.
Mm-hmm.
X plus 4 and x minus 3. We get this in the denominator. Okay, but whatever we get
Mm-hmm.
in the denominator,
Mm-hmm.
that won't be the zeros, those would be asymptotes, right? Because these are the points we
Mm-hmm.
cannot have.
Mm-hmm.
So we got four important points:
Mm-hmm.
x equals negative 7 and 1, and x equals negative 4 and 3. So we draw the number line
Mm-hmm.
and then we draw these 4 points on the number line: negative 7, negative 4,
Mm-hmm.
then 1, and then 3. And then we also draw the points in between, like 0, 1, 2, and all of that. Okay, now what do you have to do? You need to search between negative. On this side, you would have negative infinity. On this
Mm-hmm.
side, you would have positive infinity. So first, You would substitute a value between negative infinity to 7.
Uh.
In this inequality,
Mhm.
and then you would check if the inequality holds for that number.
Mhm.
Okay. Between negative infinity to negative 7,
Can do
you could
negative
substitute,
-8.
yeah, okay, you could do negative 8. So if you substitute negative 8 here,
Mhm.
would you get greater than or equal to 0?
But we will replace -8 with -7. Am I right?
Now, we would
Oh.
replace negative 8, we would replace x by negative 8. These are the values of
Oh.
x.
Yeah, I remember. I remember. Do you want me to do it? I'll do it.
Okay, so
I'll
what,
do it for you.
okay, yeah. Okay, let me do it because if you do, it will take time. Okay, or you could just use calculator.
Yeah, I'm using a calculator right now. Um. So I got 0.45, so it's positive. Are you there?
0.45 for all of it.
Uh, for no, for
Or did you,
-8. For -8.
yeah, did you also put it here?
What?
Like, did you solve all of it?
Oh my.
X squared plus 7x minus, because the inequality is this.
Oh my god. Yeah, I thought we were replacing -8 with x plus 7, x minus 1, x plus 4, and x minus 3. I didn't know.
Oh yeah, it's the same thing. Did you
Yeah.
substitute it here?
Yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did.
Okay, okay, yeah.
And I got 0.
And then did you also solve the denominator part? Did you also put it
Yeah,
here?
I put it for both. I put it for both. Yeah.
Okay, okay, so what did you get?
0.45.
0.45. Okay,
Uh-huh.
so it is greater than or equal to 0.
Mhm.
That means it is our interval from negative infinity to negative 7. That is
Mhm.
the first interval.
Mhm.
Okay, and because 7 is the negative 7 is the 0
Mhm.
of this inequality,
Yeah.
so that means this negative 7 would
Mhm.
be included.
Mhm.
So we use this, the square bracket kind of thing, to show that it is also included. Now, for the second part, you take a number between negative 7 and negative 4.
Mhm. I'll just. Can we leave the Zoom and join back because there's like less than a minute? Can we do that?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. So. Oh. Oh shit. Are you there?
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
okay. So we found the first interval, it would be from negative 7 to
Mhm.
infinity. Okay, now we need to check between negative 7 and negative 4. So you can take
Uh.
any value from
Can I
that.
do? I'll do -6. -6. Oh fudge. And I got negative 0.38.
Negative 0.38. That
Mhm.
means this
Mhm.
is smaller than 0. So
Yeah.
that's not our interval.
Okay.
Okay, and for the next time, we check it between negative 4 and 1.
Okay, I'll just do 2, I guess, or negative 2.
Okay. Huh. You can do 2 because 2 is
I
also
know,
1.
I know.
Okay, we can do
I'm at negative 2.
okay.
That equals 1.5.
1.5.
Mhm.
Okay, so 1.5 is greater than 0, so
Mhm.
that means this is our interval. But if you notice, this negative 4 we got from here, from the denominator,
Mhm.
right? So the
Mhm.
zeros were negative 7 and negative 1. These were asymptotes. These are the points we
Ooh,
cannot have because they would make
an
the,
asymptote.
the
Yeah.
right, they would make it 0
Mhm.
if we have these values. If we have negative 4 and positive 3, they
Mhm.
would make this undefined, this function undefined. So these are the numbers we can't have. So when we are getting between negative 4 and 1 is the root. So when we write union, we have to write this bracket for negative 4 because negative 4 can't be included. Right? So
Mhm.
this would show that the negative 4 is not included itself, but 1 is. And for 1, it would be this bracket. Okay, and then we check it between 1 and 3.
Uh, 1 and 3, so I'll do 2, obviously. Negative 1.5.
Okay, that's not the interval. Then we check it for the last part from 3 to positive infinity.
I'll just do 4. Um, uh, 4.125.
Okay, so 4.125.
Mhm.
That is greater than 0.
Mhm.
So that means the inequality is true for this interval.
Mhm.
So it will be from 3
Mhm.
to positive infinity. And then since 3 is an
Mhm.
asymptote, it's not the root, it's not the 0,
Mhm.
so it won't be included. So
Okay.
like this.
Okay.
So we get an interval from okay.
Mhm.
Do you have to submit it tomorrow? Or would you like to do it the day after tomorrow?
I need to submit it tomorrow, in the morning. I mean, I could submit it another day, but I would lose 10% of the grade. But I'd rather submit it
Because
tomorrow.
but you still have to do
I
more
apologize.
questions. You still have to do more questions. And I have another lesson starting.
Do you have another lesson right now?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine. I'll figure out how to do it myself. It's fine.
Because these are the ones with the graph. Couldn't do them last time either.
We can do them right now?
We can because I have another lesson. Okay.
Okay. Okay, it's
But
fine.
if you somehow can submit it the day after tomorrow, you
Mm-hmm.
can have another lesson tomorrow. So
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can go through this.
Okay, I'll tell you. Okay.
Because even if you do submit it and do it on your own, if it is probably wrong, you
Mm-hmm.
will lose more marks.
Of course,
So
of
it's
course.
better if you lose 10%.
Y- Yeah, I understand. I understand. Don't worry. Okay. Well, thank you very much, Alina. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Bye.
All right. Goodbye.